Guys, this is my first vlog regarding gasoline updates. Now, this is from msn.com. Petrol today is $2.32. So, $1 today is peso 57.18. Current price in Philippines is 1.04 US dollar. Now this is going back. This is 58.98 per liter. Current price last month is 59.75, pero ngayon mag-i-increase pa yan. So this will go to the world market. Same this price by country ranking. So Philippines is number 81 ranking. So 1.14 US dollar. If you check in the Philippines based on US dollar, this is 1.04. This is lower. Again, thank you. This is gasoline updates as of today. Thank you for watching.